The best background removal node in ComfyUI is this one. So here I also compared it with 3 other models, RMBG 1.4, Segment Anything, and this older UNet model. Now, let's compare the 4 results by taking a wild guess. The next 2 have no doubts they're clearly weaker than the previous ones. Which image looks better? You can tell by looking at the edges of the hair clearly. The one on the left is more detailed, which corresponds to the recommended node. In image processing, the background refers to all areas of the image except the foreground. Usually located outside the focal length of the imaging system, the foreground in this image is clearly the main subject. The difficulty here is greater, so it's necessary to share the results once. Only the recommended nodes in segment NNC make accurate judgments. However, when looking at the edges, the recommended nodes still perform better. So pay attention here, we're talking about background removal. To do background removal, you need to distinguish between the foreground and the background. It's completely normal for people to have different understandings about various nodes. If you want to extract precise objects, I think you should check out Segment Anything. Why didn't they mention Forens 2 at all? Because I think its strength isn't precision, but rather its ability to work backward in this way. Another thing is the language material you input. If the images you enter are always blurry and overlapping, it's impossible to achieve good results. Use tools, not fight against them. Here is its GitHub address. Navigate to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register and receive 120 points. Logging in daily will give you an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.